Well, just at that bond hearing, when asked whether or not he has a career, he was talking about blowing up balloons at child's birthday parties and festivities. That's number one, because it's not just this allegation. He was just recently released from prison, and he was out on bail on an attempted murder case in prison as well. He's got a criminal history that includes various different things like robbery, threats against jurors, and got this outstanding attempted murder. So not only did he kill these 4 people, he's got this history, and also he's around kids for his job. That's what concerns me, other than the allegations.
Yeah, it really is concerning. Preach, David. I appreciate all of that. I was popping off about it when I heard about it. As soon as we played the clip after that press conference, it was earlier this week, my jaw was on the floor. I'm thinking, how in the world, like you both know, it is insane that somebody who's a member of the Vice Lord's gang, who just did a stint, 10 years for the aggravated robbery and then more years for intimidating the jury after the fact, and intimidating one of the victims, and he picks up an attempted homicide case and he gets a bond, and a percentage bond at that. Like, I mean, this was a no-brainer. Anybody who was watching that hearing would have known, oh, he's going to be able to post that and get back out. David, Bruno, do you think that there's any reflection? You know, when I was a prosecutor, it was always my biggest nightmare. I wonder if it was for you too, for somebody to get let out who shouldn't be out, and then they go commit a crime, and then somebody says, did the DA object? You know, where were they in all this? And what about that judge? What was he or she thinking?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, especially on those facts. When there's an allegation in a prison, someone's serving substantial prison time, there's got to be a second guessing on that decision, whether it's the prosecutor or the judge. It's definitely an inflection, an instinct to ask those particular questions. And unfortunately, oftentimes that's why people are held against those arguments, because the judges and the prosecutors, they fear what type of additional harm that defendants can bring after being released from serious crimes. So it's instinct and natural to even have these questions, and I just wonder what the answers are.